Croeso Catherine i Archwilydd Cymru. Can you introduce yourself?
Certainly. I'm Catherine and I'm the new Auditor General for Wales.
What are you most looking forward to in this role?
Really looking forward to getting started, meeting everyone, working with the new Senedd, and making sure that our work has the best impact it can for service delivery for the people of Wales. And then in the first few months, getting started on the new strategy for the organisation.
Are you a sweet or savoury person?
I've got a terrible weakness for crisps.
Favourite memory of Wales?
Visiting Ynys Môn, which I did a lot as a child, and seeing the canopy of stars at night.
What do you like to do to unwind?
Hiking, dog walking, reading, just chilling out, really, yeah.
Any hidden talents?
I can juggle.
Good book or good film?
Definitely good book. Love a reacher or a strike novel, or if I'm feeling more highbrow, something like Ministry for the Future.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr.